Let's begin by understanding the background of Ang versus Court of Appeals, a landmark case decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines in 2010. The case revolves around a disturbing incident where a doctored nude image featuring the complainant's face was sent via mobile message. This act led to criminal charges under Republic Act No. 9262, the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act. The complainant sought justice, claiming that the act was not only defamatory but also a form of psychological violence. The case quickly moved through the courts, eventually reaching the Court of Appeals and finally the Supreme Court for a definitive ruling. In its decision, the Supreme Court affirmed the ruling of the Court of Appeals, upholding the conviction of the petitioner. The court emphasized that sending a manipulated nude image with the complainant's face was a clear act of violence as defined under RA 9262. This law protects women and children from various forms of abuse, including psychological and emotional harm. The Supreme Court found that the evidence presented by the prosecution was sufficient to link both the message and the phone number to the petitioner, leaving no doubt about their involvement. This ruling reinforced the seriousness of digital harassment and the legal consequences that follow. Ang versus Court of Appeals case set an important precedent in Philippine law, especially regarding digital forms of violence. By recognizing that sending doctored images can constitute psychological violence, the Supreme Court expanded the interpretation of RA 9262 to include acts committed through electronic means. This decision not only provided justice to the complainant, but also sent a strong message about the protection of individuals from online abuse. The case highlights the evolving nature of legal protections in the digital age and underscores the importance of holding perpetrators accountable, regardless of the medium used to commit the offense.